Why ally with the Aam Aadmi Party right now when you are quite sure you could go it alone?
Preeti, you have raised a very pertinent issue, but here is what Rahul Gandhi thinks. Rahul Gandhi wants to strengthen India alliance. He wants to keep this India alliance story alive and kicking, not only to the 24, 25, 26, until 2029. So he's been telling party people that अब sacrifice देने का, कुर्बानी देने का वक्त है. See, on an average, Preeti, as you know, that 28 candidates from the Congress side on each seat. Haryana is a small state, 90 seats. So the Congress is, to my mind, is prepared to give five seats to Aam Aadmi Party. They're counting heavily on the personal rapport between Sanjay Singh and Mallikarjun Kharge, who's a Congress president, and Rahul Gandhi. So therefore, state leadership's view on opposition does not count much. It is central leadership which wants to make, concession, a sacrifice with eye on India Alliance 2029. Up to 2029. So to my mind, alliance is very much on the cards.
On the cards, and 5 seats and no more than 5. Bhupinder Hooda actually, as per sources have said that not even 2 or 3. Akshay Marathe, will the Aam Aadmi Party be happy with 5 seats on the table? You wanted to go for all 90.
Preeti, first of all, let me say that Aam Aadmi Party has deep roots in Haryana. Arvind Kejriwal ji himself was born and brought up in Hisar, Haryana. We have a strong organization. We have several leaders who have, we have cultivated over the years. In fact, when the India Alliance contested in Haryana, our candidate from Kurukshetra, Mr. Sushil Gupta ji, fared extremely well and fell short by a very small margin. Otherwise, today, Aam Aadmi Party would have had 1 seat in Haryana as well. So, Aam Aadmi Party is not a bit player. It is not a small player in Haryana. It is a sizable player. And I think that is why we are discussing this alliance today to begin with. If an Aam Aadmi Party Congress alliance does come together, and of course, nothing is finalized yet, there are talks going on, then it will be in a very strong position to actually defeat the BJP by a historic margin. And that's why we are even talking about it today.
But Akshay Marathe, if you're in such a strong position, then why not go for all 90 seats? Because you have a Sangathan, like you say, everything is going for you. Why settle for 5 or 7 seats when you could go for all 90 seats? And you bring up the, question of Kurukshetra. Out of Kurukshetra seat, there are 9 Vidhan Sabhas or assembly seats. The Aam Aadmi Party lost in 5 of those 9.
Preeti, I think discussing seats on a public forum in such a crucial time is never a mature thing to do, and no spokesperson will ever agree to debate on specific issues like number of seats, because these kinds of public posturing always harms the conversations when they're going in the backstage. So let that happen. Let that process play out. Both the senior leaderships of both the parties are very serious about defeating the Bharatiya Janata Party. We are hopeful that something fruitful comes out, and if not, like I said, Aam Aadmi Party has a very strong organization in Haryana, and
okay,
we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But let me first make this very pertinent point, Preeti, that the reason we are talking about this alliance is because we are in a position to win. The BJP tomorrow, let's say that the BJP was to enter alliance talks with JJP, for example, nobody will be talking about it because everybody knows BJP is going to lose the Haryana election.
But Siddharth Yadav, many would say that, the BJP says, what's the reason if the Congress is so strong and so confident to ally with the Aam Aadmi Party, that they need the Aam Aadmi Party? Many also suggest, Siddharth Yadav, the likes of JJP plus Chandrasekhar Azad, the INLD plus the BSP are actually team B and C of the BJP.
First of all, Preeti, I would like to highlight the deep roots of Aam Aadmi Party and the strong Sangathan of Aam Aadmi Party in Haryana, which my learned friend was arguing. My learned friend was saying that they have a very strong Sangathan in Haryana. I would wish to remind him of the last result that had come out in the state. Aam Aadmi Party contested on 46 seats. On 46 of 46 seats, the deposits were forfeited. Aam Aadmi Party in the entire state got less than 60,000 votes, 59,800, 0.48% vote share in Haryana. So when a Congress party, which has ruled the state, which has formed the government twice, is now considering of doing an alliance with a party which is 0.48, which is chota than Nota in Haryana, it is very well clear that what is the position of the Congress party and Aam Aadmi party in Haryana. Congress party cannot even think of fielding 90 candidates. They are falling short of candidates. There are a lot of areas in Haryana where they do not have candidates yet which can be fielded, and that is the reason why they are looking for alliance partners and they are looking for...
Siddharth Yadav, allow me a rebuttal. You do know that the Congress on 90 seats, because it's an exercise that needs to be carried out, has got, to my knowledge, over 2,500 people who want to contest and applications from those people.
Preeti, I'm sure you must have not seen those applications, because half of those applications were made by Bhupendra Hooda himself, the rest were made by Kumari Shailja ji herself, the rest were made by Randeep Surjewala himself. Okay. There are a lot of Congress parties in Haryana. There's not one Congress party. So who's contesting from which Congress party in Haryana, which faction are they planning to contest, is a different story altogether. BJP in Haryana is the strongest party today. Okay. We are contesting on all seats. We are not...
Siddharth Yadav, factionalism as much in the Congress, pretty much the same as in the BJP as well. We'll come down to it with Rao Indrajit Singh on one side. We'll come down to it. Give us a minute. I want to bring in Ravinder Sharon into this conversation now. Ravinder ji, ऐसा क्या हो गया कि कांग्रेस को आम आदमी पार्टी की जरूरत हो गई, क्योंकि जो लोकल यूनिट है कांग्रेस की और जो आम आदमी पार्टी की भी लोकल यूनिट है, दोनों कह रहे हैं कि हमें नहीं चाहिए ये अलायंस।
जी नमस्कार। बिल्कुल, देखिए लोकल यूनिट ने तो ये बात मना किया है, उनको अलायंस नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि जो ग्राउंड रियलिटीज हैं वो कांग्रेस के बहुत पक्ष में हैं। जिस इलाके में हम खुद गए हैं वहां पर भी देखा कि कांग्रेस के पक्ष में काफी माहौल है और बीजेपी का एंटी इनकम्बेंसी हर जगह पर दिख रहा है। लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी की जो सेंट्रल लीडरशिप है वो नहीं चाहती कि थोड़ा बहुत भी वोटों का बंटवारा हो। हालांकि आम आदमी पार्टी कहीं बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो, 5,000 6,000 वोट लेने की स्थिति में हो, ऐसी बहुत कम सीट्स हैं। लेकिन हरियाणा क्योंकि 2 लाख 2.25 लाख वोट्स की एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी होती है, उसमें कई बार ऐसा देखा गया है कि छोटे मार्जिन से भी हार जीत होती है। इस वजह से उन वोटों का बिखराव ना हो, अपोजिशन के जो वोट हैं उनका बिखराव ना हो, उनको संगठित रखने के लिए, उनको एकजुट रखने के लिए शायद इस अलायंस की तरफ बढ़ा जा रहा है। और एक बड़ी पिक्चर जो है वो जो लोकसभा में भी राहुल गांधी ने कहा था कि वो सबके नेता हैं विपक्ष के तौर पर, जितनी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं, चाहे वो जेल में बैठे अरविंद केजरीवाल हो या उस वक्त जो जेल में बैठे थे हेमंत सोरेन हो, तो उस बड़ी पिक्चर को शायद ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और एक बात, जो उत्तर हरियाणा है जहां पर बहुत ज्यादा प्रभाव था किसान आंदोलन का, और वहीं से कुरुक्षेत्र जो सबसे ज्यादा उपजाऊ जमीन थी किसान आंदोलन के लिए, जहां से आम आदमी पार्टी ने लोकसभा का चुनाव लड़ा था, उस इलाके में बीजेपी का थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड है। उनका पहले से काफी जीटी रोड पर जो बेल्ट है उसमें बीजेपी का होल्ड रहा है, तो उसमें ज्यादा और संगठित होके वो लोग चुनाव लड़ पाए, उस लिहाज से ये अलायंस की तरफ देखा जा रहा है। और इसका नेचुरली जो उस इलाके की जो शहरी सीटें हैं जिन पर बीजेपी का थोड़ा प्रभाव है, उन पर अगर आम आदमी पार्टी 3,000 2,000 5,000 वोट लेने में सफल रहेगी तो वो बेनिफिट होगा ऑपोजिशन को और एक अच्छा नैरेटिव सेट कर पाने में वो कामयाब होंगे। फिलहाल लेकिन जो स्थिति है वो ऑपोजिशन के पक्ष में दिख रही है, क्योंकि एंटी इनकम्बेंसी काफी एक बड़ा फैक्टर है। और देखिए आज भी जो नौकरियां कई निकली हैं जिसमें पीएचडी लेवल तक के जो बच्चे हैं, उन्होंने बहुत छोटे जो पद हैं डी ग्रेड के, उनमें एप्लीकेशन डाला है। तो ढेर सारे ऐसे मुद्दे हैं जिनको आप बीजेपी जो है सुलझा नहीं पाई और उनके खिलाफ बहुत जबरदस्त यहाँ पर जमीन पर एंटी इनकम्बेंसी का माहौल दिखाई दे रहा है। तो उस वोट को भी अपने साथ कंसोलिडेट करें और एक अच्छा संदेश दे पाए पूरे प्रदेश में। मुझे लगता है ये जो है कांग्रेस पार्टी की कोशिश है।